Today I'm going to be showing you how to make oatmeal using old-fashioned rolled oats. The first thing I'm going to need is oats, which I have half a cup right here. And then I have 1 cup of water, which I'm going to add to the pot right there. And once I've added the water to the pot, I'm going to take my rolled oats, half cup to 1 cup of water, and pour it inside of the water. Now I'm going to bring this to a boil, so I'm going to bring the temperature up, raise it a little bit. So once I've raised the temperature up, I'm going to wait for it to come to a boil. Once it's come to a boil, you're going to want to bring the temperature down to a medium to medium low and stir it up a little bit. Now you don't want this to boil over, so stir it to keep it from boiling over. And then just let it cook at a slow simmer for about 5 minutes or until the oats have absorbed enough of the water. Occasionally stir it a little bit to keep it from sticking at the bottom. After about 5 minutes, stir it. Make sure enough of the water has been absorbed. Turn off the fire, the heat source. Make sure the surface is cooled. And then take a bowl and pour some oatmeal inside of a bowl. And then what you're going to do is you're going to add some things to it that you like. So for instance, sometimes people add a little bit of milk to it. Add a little bit of milk to your bowl of oatmeal. Sometimes people add some butter. Right here I have pure Irish butter. Absolute goodness. I'm gonna add a little bit of butter to it. Just put a wallop of it inside of there. Let me get in closer so you can see this. So you have the butter in there, and you want to add the butter relatively soon after you've poured it into your bowl. That way the butter has time to melt. Put it in the hot porridge. Push it down in there a little bit. Once it's in there, you can add other things like brown sugar. This is my brown sugar. It's hard as a rock right now. So I'm just going to beat it a little bit, and once it's loose a little bit, you can go ahead and pour a little bit of sugar on top, just like that. And once you have that on top, sometimes people can add a little bit of cinnamon to it. It's right here, some ground cinnamon. Then I pour a little bit of cinnamon on top, just like that. Just like that. And if you want to get really fancy with it, go ahead and take your banana, peel it back like that, and slice up some banana inside of it. And that is how you make a bowl of oatmeal.